Y'all come from California, you out in Chicago. Y'all ain't got no business. Sit here and goddamn getting all y'all shit together. Y'all wrong with that. So they goddamn get on the goddamn case. But y'all gotta look at the people. Y'all goddamn old shit, y'all goddamn man. Bitch, I don't give a damn where y'all come from. Y'all not from Atlanta. Don't give a damn about from Atlanta. Y'all might be from Chicago and all that. So, goddamn, you tell Chicago what y'all goddamn. You chew your goddamn gun, you goddamn stay your head. Bitch, y'all ain't about kids. Y'all goddamn cracker some bitch. Y'all ain't nothing but some cracker some bitch. And I'm a black ass woman. Now say something about me, and I spray your ass, bitch. You goddamn sit over there smoking your goddamn, chewing your goddamn gum, ain't that right? You better start that. Eat your goddamn cigarette, goddamn. Take it. You sit over there for damn
Drive Mall and Atlantic Christian College. This is Oakland City Station.
Get real. Y'all don't take no goddamn seat now, cause y'all, boy, I already tell you, citizen Senate, y'all got to move and goddamn let the citizens sit. No, I can be a citizen Senate, and I will put y'all ass too, but bitch, I can fight.
This train is bound for
I can
Doraville
fight. I'm a
Station.
cuss ass bitch. Y'all some goddamn New York, California, and New York. That mean you eat all your damn chip ass. Boy, bitch. I don't give a damn about last night what. That go for all y'all got that funky. You ugly too, your daddy ugly, your mammy too. It don't make me no damn difference. The fuck you looking at me for? I spray your ass, honey. Punk bitch. Look at you, got all that hair, ain't you? Baby. If the train stopped and they get the police, I wouldn't give a damn. Ugly ass son, bitch. I'm over eating out here, damn take shit. You right with him too, ain't you, baby? The fuck you keep rocking back and forth, huh? Do it, I'll fuck you. Bring my ass, I'll blow your ass up and spray you to the bitch. Long talk, son, bitch. Don't get up no goddamn up here. I'm black, bitch, white.